This is a very powerful indicator I'm about to share with you today on this video. I'm sure you have seen how uh, uh, the indicator is being used right now. All right, so today I want to show you how you can also use this indicator, how you can also set the indicator on your mobile device by yourself, and you can also use it to to generate profit for yourself. You can also use this indicator to uh, you can combine this with your strategy and make it more powerful. Yeah, this indicator is going to be helpful. I do use this indicator. I use this indicator most of the time, almost on a daily basis. This is one of my favorite indicator which I combine this with my strategy, with my price action, and it gives me results. So today I want you to stay on this video, to watch this video to the end if you really or truly want to learn how this indicator works. All right, so without any waste of time, let's dive into the settings. Okay, uh I want you to know that at the end of this video I'm gonna also create another video on boom and crash, on how to catch spikes. Is a very powerful video which you can use to catch spike if you are finding it difficult to catch spike in binary.com. I'm gonna make a video for you on boom and crash, which uh, you can use it to catch spikes, and the strategy works on 5 minute time frame alone, and it's a very powerful strategy. I use this strategy on a daily basis, and I want to share with you after this video. The next video which I'll be uploading will be on the spike detection. All right, so what I need from you is to subscribe to this channel so you will get notified whenever the video is dropped. All right, so let's dive in. So today, this indicator is gonna be a very powerful indicator. It's gonna change most of your lives. All right, so let's begin. The first indicator I want you to add right now is the stochastic, sorry, not the stochastic oscillator, the relative strength index. All right, the relative strength index. This is the first indicator I want you to add right now. All right, so let's do that. So when I go to the indicator home page, then I click on the main chart. So on the main chart here, we are gonna look for the relative strength index, and here is it right here. So when I tap on the relative strength index, the next thing I'm gonna do is to change the period. I'm gonna change the period to 13. So I'm gonna make the style to be uh white. All right, the pixel 1. So on the levels, let's add a 50 here. Let's add a 50 here. So after you have added your 50, what you're gonna do is uh so on the levels, you can also change the pixel here to maybe a 3 or a 4, depending on what you prefer. All right, so let me click on done. So when I go back, this is how it's gonna appear on your chart. This is how it's gonna appear on your chart. If this is not appearing on your chart, I need you to scroll the video backward and watch how I did it. Okay, so the next indicator I want to add is the moving average. So let's add the moving average right now. So when I go to the indicator homepage once again, what I'm gonna do is to click on indicator window 1, not the main chart, indicator window 1. So when I tap on indicator window 1, the next thing I'm gonna do is to what select the moving average, and here is the moving average right here. This is the moving average. So we tap on moving average, it's gonna be on default. This is how yours is gonna look. So what you're gonna do is to change the period to uh I need to change this 10 to uh number 2, like this. Okay, this period should be 2. Then your method is gonna be it should be simple this way. Then apply to, what you're gonna do is to select previous indicators data, previous indicators data. Okay, when I tap on previous indicators data, then your color, you should change this color to green. After that, you click on done. You can see how it looks on the chart. This is how it looks on the chart. Okay, the next indicator I want you to add is the moving average also, or I'm going to show you how this moving average is going to look. So let's dive into the indicator homepage once again. Click on indicator window 1. When I tap on indicator window 1, so I'm gonna also go to the moving average. When I go to the moving average, I'm gonna change this to I'm gonna change this to 7. Then the color, I'm gonna change the color to uh, red. After that, I'm gonna click on done. So when I go back, this is what you are gonna see. This is what you are gonna see. This is what you are gonna see. All right. So let me give you a bonus tip. Let me give you a bonus tip. What we're gonna do is we are gonna increase this number to 35. So go to the indicator tab, then relative strength index, tap on it, then the levels here, click on the levels, then tap on this plus sign 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna add some numbers here. Here is gonna be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right. So after that, you click on done. This is what you're gonna see. This is what you're gonna see, guys. This incredible, guys. This is what you're gonna see. So what we're gonna do again is to apply the same principle on we are gonna reduce this to maybe a 65. Yeah, a 65. All right, we're gonna reduce this to a 65. Okay, so what I want to do right now is to click on the relative index, then the levels. So what I needed to do is to click on this 5 times, the plus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we have 70, here's gonna be 69. Here's gonna be a 68. Here's gonna be a 67. Here's gonna be a 66. And here's gonna be a what? 65. Okay. So after this, you're gonna click on done. And when you go back, this is what you're gonna see, guys. This is very powerful. I use this indicator on a daily basis and it's so powerful. If you combine this indicator with your strategy, you are gonna do wonders. I'm telling you, guys, you are gonna do a lot of wonders. Okay, I'm gonna also drop a video on uh divergence. You can see when this price is giving us signal to the downside, what do we see here? You can see at this point, this indicator is giving us signal to the upside, and this is what a divergence. And you can see whenever the this indicator also is um on a 50%, this indicators on the 50% is telling you that there will be a retracement in price. Okay, and if you are using maybe a support or resistance or supply or demand, something like this, what you're gonna see is that you're gonna see that this market bounces on what, on your what, your demand level. Okay, come on guys, this is one of my best indicator, guys. This, with this you're gonna do wonders, I'm telling you guys. Just uh try this on your chart and see what this gonna do to you. You can also combine this with the 30-minute time frame. This is how I manipulate this. This is how I use this using the 30-minute time frame. That whenever the 30-minute time frame is in the 50%, this what I look for, and on the 15-minute time frame I got entry. Combined with my strategy, I do wonders, guys, with just this strategy. I'm not although nothing is 100% in forex, guy, but uh I'm not giving this strategy to use it for overballs or over. No, guys, this strategy is for you to combine with your own strategy, your own price action, to do wonders in the market. This all for today, guys. More video will be dropped. I'm gonna drop a video on boom and crash, spike, how to catch spike on 5-minute time frame, and it's so powerful. It's so powerful. You can use that to catch as many spikes as you can, guys. All right, so uh this is the end of this video. More videos will be dropped, don't worry. Honor will come. Subscribe to this channel right now. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video. I needed to like this video, and I also needed to comment on this video to tell me what video do you want me to create for you on this channel. Just comment below, drop uh 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 your comment on the video which you want me to create for you. Okay, and also, if you are having a challenge with this strategy, I want you to comment below and tell me where you're having difficulties, and I'm gonna tune on that. Okay, thank you so much. Honor will come.